This problem is black to play. When you see a jump like this and a setup like this, you should think squeeze. To play a squeeze, black must wedge here first and then sacrifice number 1. By sacrificing number 1, black can make white's liberty much tighter. Black now can play this Atari move, and now finally this is captured by Atari, where white cannot escape here. Black will be able to capture white this way. So this is a very classic squeeze problem. Number 1 is key, and of course the best thing for white to do at this point is just to relent and allow black to capture these 3 white stones. So white doesn't sacrifice more of its stones for nothing. If you need more squeeze practice, please feel free to check out lesson 109 in the first capture techniques chapter here on my channel. Good luck and thank you for watching.